Yo, what's up? I'm Xavier. For today's food trip, mag-unlimited Korean chicken and samgyeopsal tayo. Actually, na-vlog ko na tong sweet and spicy. Kung pinanood nyo yung ating New Year special vlog, yung top 10 food places, dito ako kumain nun sa sweet and spicy. So gusto kong balikan at i-review ang kanilang mga pagkain, talaga naka-focus sa kanilang mga food. So kung ready ka na para sa food trip na to, let's go and check this out. Yun, so finally, andito na tayo sa sweet and spicy, guys. And like I said, kanina kumain na tayo dito dati yung sa ating New Year's vlog. And nagustuhan ko talaga yung kanilang mga Korean fried chicken dito. Tapos unlimited samgyeopsal pa. So sulit na siya. So bago natin simulan ang ating food trip for today, if you guys are new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please you're doing me a big favor by doing so. And also hit that notification bell so that you will be always notified from all of my channel's activities. Tara, simulan na natin ng food trip. So, unahin natin itong first plate natin. Ito ang laman natin first plate, guys. So, meron siyang japchae dito. Ay, makikita nyo yung noodles sa kanilang japchae. Oh. Ang laki. Flat noodles siya. And laki talaga. Ayan. Meron din tayong tteokbokki dito, tsaka sausage or hotdog. And then ito, isa to sa mga nagustuhan ko talaga dati. Kasi legit na ano to, crab sticks talaga. Hindi siyang imitation na crab sticks, ha. Talagang crab sticks to. Laman siya. And of course, ang lumpia. Di pwedeng di tayo kumuha ng lumpia. Naka-target clock tayo dyan. Tara, try natin ang kanila lumpia. Perfectly crispy and flaky pa rin yung kanilang lumpia kahit na kanina pa ito naka-standby doon. Kung talagang siksik ng salaman yung kanilang lumpia eh. It's really porky, peppery din siya at the same time. And meron din siyang herby aftertaste. Sarap! Sasaw natin sa kanilang samjang sauce. Ang sarap na combination ng sour, sweet, with a little spicy flavor na kanilang samjang sauce. Ito yung kanilang kanin tempura or the crab sticks tempura. That's right. Talagang legit na crab sticks talaga siya. Laman ng crabs talaga. Makikita yung strands, oh. Ayan siya. Hindi siya yung tipong harina imitation na crab sticks, guys. Kaya ang sarap na ito. Sarap talaga na ito. Tteokbokki naman, let's try. It's spongy, it's chewy, sweet and spicy at the same time. But yeah, it's really chewy. Try na natin ang kanilang japchae. The thing about their japchae is really bouncy and chewy. Kasi ang laki kasi ng noodles, oh. Pero for me, that's good eh. Since may enjoy mo kainin yung noodles kapag ganun yung texture. Yung flavor naman is really on point. And yung sesame peppery flavor ng japchae. A little sweety din siya. For me, this is a good one. Bagay itong mga noodles sa mga may malaking appetite katulad ka. Yung pang big bite ang talaga. First plate pa lang yun, pero panalo na. Para naman sa ating next plate, ito na yung ating mga Korean fried chicken. So, meron tayong tatlong klaseng fried chicken dito. Original chicken, tapos yung isa Yangnam ata. Itong isa naman parang sweet something, honey glazed something, parang ganun. Tikman na lang natin. Unahin na natin itong original flavor. Ang sarap talaga, ang sarap na ito. Kahit itong original flavor lang eh. Masarap na, panalo na siya. May lasa kasi talaga yung butter ng kanilang fried chicken eh. Pati yung chicken meat itself is really flavorful. It's juicy and succulent. Gusto ko talaga itong mga Korean chicken dito sa sweet and spicy. Ito naman ang kanilang honey chicken something. Try natin. Like this honey glazed chicken to. And ang sarap talaga. It's really juicy. The chicken meat is tender and satisfying to eat. Kahit ito lang talaga. Kahit itong mga fried chickens na sweet and spicy, goods na goods ka na eh. Kinaganda pa dito. Unlimited din yung fried chicken eh. So kapag ayaw mo na mag-grill, pwede itong fried chicken na lang babanatan mo. Tapos masarap pa. Ito naman yung chicken. Perfect blend yung sweetness and spiciness sa kanilang Yangnom chicken. Ito yung tipo nag-aagawan sa taste buds mo. Tapos inaangat niya talaga yung overall flavor ng fried chicken. You can never go wrong with the Korean fried chicken, sweet and tsaka toyo mansi. Mas lalo naging addicting yung porky flavor with the toyo mansi. It's really fatty and so oily, and I love that. Ito naman ang samjang or gochujang sauce. Sarap talaga. Ang sarap ng perfect blend ng sweetness, ng sourness, ng spiciness ng kanilang sauce. Talaga nag-complement siya dun sa plain pork eh. And the pork meat itself has this good amount of fat. Kaya yung overall texture niya is very satisfying talaga. Ngayon naman try natin ang kanilang mga marinated meat. So meron tayo dito marinated pork, marinated chicken, and then yung kanilang sausage. So try natin sausage first. Kaya itong sausage nila masarap din eh. Really meaty, it's porky, and meron na siyang sweety aftertaste. Marinated pork, try natin. Sweet, savory. I mean, typical of barbecue flavor sauce. And it's thinly sliced or bacon sliced. Kaya it's tender, sarap na kainin. Marinated pork, tapos sa kanyang sweet and spicy sauce. Marinated chicken naman, try natin. Wala mo ng sauce. Same lang ng lasa ng marinade yung pork nila at saka yung chicken na lang. Para sa akin, mas gusto ko itong marinated chicken. Gawa tayo Korean taco. Now let's have this one big bite. Champion yung bite na yun. Ang sarap kasi andun yung steamed egg na yun. Masarap ng combination of flavors. Yung sweetness from the marinades of pork and meat. Yung sweetness din ng kanilang gochujang or samjang sauce. Tapos yung konting sweetness din from the ketchup. Out of this world. Okay na okay din yung mga samgyupsal meats na. At ayun, at napakabusog at bundat na naman tayo sa ating food trip for today. Napakarami at napakasulitan na makakain mo doon sa sweet and spicy. Masasarap halos lahat ng mga pagkain doon, especially yung kanilang mga Korean fried chicken, original fried chicken, yung Yangnom nila. Yung chicken talaga nila is really juicy and flavorful eh. Tapos yung mga side dishes nila masarap din. Lalo na yung kani tempura, yung japchae nila is really good din. At pati na rin yung mga marinated meats nila, goods na goods din yun. So I would strongly recommend to you guys na kumain at itry din dito sa sweet and spicy. They're located dito sa Ottoville compound dito sa Torres. So if you have any suggestions for my next food destination, just drop it down in the comments below. I would definitely read all of it and make sure to visit all those places. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, this is me as Dave. I'll see you in the next one. Tara, try natin ang kanila lumpia. Sasaw natin sa kanilang samjang sauce. Aray. Ito naman yung ito yung anilang ito yung anilang kani team.